New TV? Check. Pair of scissors handy and work gloves? Check. Friends nearby to help out? Check, check. Oh, and a sturdy area with a soft non-abrasive blanket to place the TV on? Check. I think we're all set to begin unboxing our TV. Your TV's box may look different than the one shown, but the process is the same for 2019 82-inch and 85-inch televisions. Cut the box straps and open the box. Remove all the contents from the top along with a quick setup guide. Then take out the top styrofoam. Now remove the 4 clips that are along the bottom of the box. Pull them out like this. Then remove the 2 clips that are on the left side and the 2 on the right. With the help of your friends, take away the front side of the box and then the back side. Be sure to remove the styrofoam blocks on the side of the TV unit, along with this styrofoam piece protecting the front of the display. Now, depending on the model of your television, there may be additional content such as a no-gap wall mount, a one-connect box, or a stand. Go ahead and remove these at this time. It's the moment we've been waiting for, taking our TV out of the box. Since the TV is a whopping 82 or 85 inches, make sure you use 4 people to help remove it. Use work gloves when picking up the TV to prevent injury or discomfort to your hands. It's best to position 2 people at the back of the TV and 1 person on each side. Also, keep your hands on the protective padding and don't squeeze the TV screen directly. Now, placing one hand in the groove near the base of the TV and the other hand on the top corner of the TV, carefully pick it up and place it face down onto the blanket. Place the bottom of your TV near the edge of the surface. This will be helpful when you're attaching the stand. Be sure and check out our stand installation video to see how to properly install the stand for your television model.